morning. Good morning. Today we will discuss N and wave propagation. In this subject, we discuss types of antenna. For example, here used for different types of antennas are available. First one is loop antenna. Radiating coil any convenient cross section of one or more turns carrying the radio frequency wave. In this loop antenna, there are different types of loop antennas are available. First one is square, then a rectangular, a rhombic antenna, a triangular, circular. Okay, in this and the radiation from small loop antenna, for example, here used for it cover entire circle. For example, it is used for it cover square. It's not cover the entire region. Okay. The second one is the wavelength dimension are small compared to the wavelength. For example, d is equal to d less double less than equal to lambda. Lambda is the wavelength, and then radiation from small loop antenna for the transmission of radiation efficiency of closed loop antenna is very low. Is the dimension of the loop are very small compared with the wavelength. Next one is here used the loop antenna. You can calculate from this antenna E phi, then E phi value you can calculate. E phi is equal to minus 2j E naught sin psi by 2, then E theta is equal to j 65 divided by r into Im e power j omega t minus r by c. Then you can calculate on the for small loop antenna, small angle. For example, sin theta is equal to theta. E pi is equal to 120 pi squared divided by r lambda squared Im e power j omega t by minus r by c into sin theta into a. H theta, that is magnetic value of this loop antenna, pi Im into e power j omega t minus r by c sin theta into a divided by r lambda square. Then radiation resistance of small loop antenna, can calculate the radiation resistance of loop antenna. The pointing vector is integrated over large shape given the total power radiated. For example, the total power radiation P is equal to double integral over PAV dot ds. PAV is nothing but the average power radiated. ds is the surface area. You can calculate average pointing vector from this. PAV is equal to 1 by 2 mod of a magnetic value, that is h theta whole square into eta naught. You can calculate eta value is equal to 1 by pi squared I squared m sin squared theta into a squared divided by r squared by lambda by 4 into 120 pi. PAV is equal to PAV value is equal to 60 pi cube I squared m sin squared theta a squared divided by r squared lambda 4. You can, using this pointing vector, you can calculate, you can substitute this double integral limit is 0 to 2 pi. Of this small loop antenna is equal to total value 31,200 into an divided by lambda square into all square. And the application of loop antenna, the loop antenna are effectively used in the radio receiver and aircraft, used in the direction of finding and the ultra high frequency transmitter. Okay, thank you.